Hi dear Pisces, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising. And keep in mind this is general love reading. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. And the second thing, the roles can be reversed or vice versa at any time. And yeah, this is a reading from 11th of August till 21st of August. So let's start. Pisces, your partner's current energy right now is, and this card literally came out for you. This is the Justice. So right now you could be dealing with a Libra, Pisces, first of all. So right now your partner might be dealing with some kind of courtroom drama or some kind of legal battle or some kind of legal issues in their life. Or it might also be possible that they right now are feeling like they are going to do justice with their own feelings, with their own emotions. They are not going to play hide and seek with themselves. They are just going to be real with them right now, with themselves right now. This is the situation here. Let's clarify the justice in their current energy. Let's clarify the justice in their current energy. Knight of Swords, Five of Pentacles, and the Justice again. So I feel like, yeah, they were ready to, re-enter. I feel like this person wanted to rush into something. This person wanted, might be they wanted you to rush into this connection, might be they were rushing into this connection, but that didn't work out. This rushing energy, this didn't work out, and either you walked away or they walked away. And again now they are feeling like now this time they are going to do justice with the situation. Now this time they are going to do justice with their emotions, with your emotions, with this relationship. Now they are in this energy of doing justice with everybody around them, okay? Because justice is here for two times from different decks. Justice and justice. This person right now is deeply in this sense that I'm going to do justice with everything right now, with every emotion of mine, and with every emotion of my partner. I'm not going to leave this like this time. So let's see what is your current energy, Pisces. Your current energy right now is Knight of Cups. Okay, so you have beautiful emotions of love for somebody. They are not mature emotions actually. They are like, someday they are popping up just like, yeah, I love this person very much. And someday they are like, okay, I love them, but I'm okay. I don't need this person back in my life. But someday again you are feeling like, yeah, I just love this person. This is passionate energy because Knights are young people and they are very passionate. They are always on the run. So this is passionate energy of love. Some days it is very high, some days it is low, some days you are going to feel it very intensely, and someday you are going to feel like, okay, cool, I'm okay. Let's clarify the Knight of Cups in your current energy. Let's see. Three of Wands, and then Eight of Wands, and then the Strength card. So you could be dealing with a Taurus, Leo here, and you could be dealing with the Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius here again, because the Wands energy is here. So what is your current energy is right now that you are, although you are turning your back to somebody, turning your back to a relationship, but right now you are waiting for something to happen very eagerly. You are waiting for love to come into your life very eagerly. You are waiting for a communication to happen, because I feel like there is silence. You are silent, they are silent, but you are waiting for a communication from their side, and you are feeling lots of love for them. Okay, this is your current energy. This is what is happening in your current energy. You are feeling lots of love for them, and you are just hoping and wishing for a communication from their side, because there's silence in this connection from a very long time, might be. That's why you are just might be manifesting love in your life. Okay, let's see what this person feels for you. Let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Eight of Pentacles. They want to put in the effort, put in the energy, put in the work in this connection. They feel like they should put in effort, put in energy, put in everything in this connection. See, they want to do justice with this connection and with themselves. So now this person is ready to put in the effort, put in the energy, put in the work, put in the hard work in this connection. Literally making every penny with their hands. So literally making the relationship work out with their own hard work, with their dedication. Let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles in their feelings for you. They feel like this. Now what they want is a different thing now, and what they are going to do is a different thing. At least they are feeling like this. Yeah, they are feeling love emotions for you, new love emotions for you, developing new brand new feelings for you. You know, these are beautiful love feelings. Eight of Pentacles again. Justice clarified by Justice. Eight of Pentacles clarified by Eight of Pentacles. Ten of Swords. Yeah. So what is happening here is this person is feeling beautiful love emotions for you. They are ready to put in the effort, put in the energy, and put in the hard work from their side in this connection, because now they are feeling like, although they felt betrayed in the past, although they felt like backstabbed in the past, now the worst is over. This is the worst that could happen between you guys. Now the worst is over. Now they are ready to put in the effort, put in the energy from their side in this connection all over again. This is beautiful energy. They feel like that. Let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see what this person wants from you. Judgment. This person wants forgiveness from you. This person wants forgiveness. So they want to judge this connection all over again. They want to give this connection another chance. They want you to give this connection another chance. This is the point basically. This person wants forgiveness from your side, and this person wants you to understand that we can forgive each other and we can restart this connection all over again. Because can you see the the people, these are dead people, they are literally coming out of their graves, and this beautiful angel is giving them second chance to live. Okay, this is what they want from you, to relive this connection, to put effort, put energy, and put new energy in this connection. Let's clarify the Judgment card in what they want from you. Let's see. Tower, see, Page of Swords and the Six of Cups. Beautiful energy. So they want, I feel like this person is right now feeling like you should forgive them. Breakup is okay. They know that everything fall out and this was not working out. The Tower moment was there. So might be in the recent past you guys broke up with each other, but they want you to forgive this breakup thing. Come out of this breakup pain, come out of this trauma, and just look at the picture. Look at the clear picture of this connection. They want you to see this connection. See, this is Page of Swords, although this page is looking at that side. See, right now this person is feeling like you are looking at the worst. You are looking at the breakup thing. You are just looking at the negative things. They want you to shift your focus to this. To sweet memories, to nostalgic memories that you guys had together, to the sweet memories, to the sweet relationship that you guys had together in the past with each other. And I feel like this person is like right now seeing your pictures, missing you, seeing your pictures on Facebook or Instagram or something like that. They're missing you big time. They want you to use your mind, but as a child, not as an adult. Okay, use your mind and soul as a child. How childs are innocence. Children are very innocent. So they don't look like they don't look at the negative things. They look at the positive things. So this person wants forgiveness from your side. They want you to give them second chance to this connection, a second chance. They want you to see the sweet memories, to feel the sweet memories that you guys had together in the past, and they want to have a reconciliation, big time reconciliation. This is card of reconciliation. This is card of reconciliation, nostalgia and sweet memories together. You guys have a past history together, and that's why this person wants you to remember the past whenever you feel like anything negative about this connection. This is what they want from you, Pisces. Okay, let's see what is coming towards you till 21st of August. Three of Wands. Wait is coming towards you till the 21st of August. I feel like you are going to wait. I feel like again you are going to wait. You are waiting somewhere else also. I got Three of Wands as well. Yeah. Yep. See, this is what you are doing right now as well. Your current energies of Three of Wands, and this is also coming towards you. So I feel like this person is also waiting for you the way you are waiting for them. So you both are waiting for each other right now. This is what is coming towards you. So you have to wait a little longer. I feel like that. Okay, you have to wait a little longer. I don't feel like this person is coming towards you till the 21st of August. but yeah, they are also hoping that you will reach them, you are also hoping that they will reach you. This is like mirroring each other energy wise. Let's clarify the Three of Wands. I hope the camera is okay. Four of Wands, Queen of Wands. My God, lots of wands. Wands, 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 wands. Leo, Sagittarius, Aries energy. They are just waiting for you. I feel like they are waiting for you the way you are waiting for them. The wait is coming, and both of you right now are waiting for the other party to speak up and talk to them. So, what is coming towards you till 21st of August is the wait. Okay, and they are waiting for you to just open up to them. I will read this card like this. They are waiting for you to open up to them and be passionate about this connection, be consistent about this passion, about this connection, and be joyful and serious about this connection all over again. Not serious like this in a committed way, but yes, serious and passionate about them, about this connection. And then after being serious, after restarting this connection, you should be positive, you should be happy, you should be just excited about this connection. And after being excited, they want you to have a long-term committed connection with them. They want you to celebrate life with them. For most of you, I don't feel like this is commitment energy, this is celebration energy. They just want you to celebrate life with them. They just want you to celebrate whatever is coming. Just go with the flow with them. This is what they want. This is what is happening beneath, like behind the scenes of this waiting. So I feel like you have a chance, you have a free will if you want to reconnect with this person from your side. This is also a possibility that if you are going to talk to this person, they are going to talk to you back, and this conversation is going to be really good for both of you. So you are waiting for them, they are waiting for you. So I feel like you should break the silence, you should break the ice here, because they are just waiting for you. See, they are just waiting for you, you are waiting for them. And I feel like you have the chance here, you have the free will if you want to do it or not. But yes, I feel like you have a chance here to go back to this person, to talk to this person, because all they want is a brand new beginning in this connection. They want to celebrate life with you, they want you to feel passionate about this connection, and to bring back passion in this connection, to start all over again. This is what this person is going to do. This is what this person is feeling behind this waiting game. Okay, so I feel like silence is coming towards you, but this silence is not going to be very much silent till longer. I feel like by the end of August 2021, you guys are going to be with each other. But yes, you have a free will, you have a chance that you can go and talk to them. They are just waiting for you, literally waiting for you. All if this story is resonating with you till this point, then this is also going to resonate with you. This is also going to work for you. So you can go to them and you can talk to them, and you can open up to them, start the conversation from your side. This is also going to open up the gates for both of you. But if you're not willing to do that, this is your free will, you can wait for a little longer. I feel like this person is coming towards you till the August end. Okay, so thank you so much for connecting with me, and this is Anjali Tarot. God bless you. Namaste. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care. God bless you. Bye bye.